Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 23rd, 2021. We're going to talk about Ankr today. We're going to see whether or not this particular market in Ankr, if it's ready to go up. Is it bullish? I'm going to give you all my newest price targets in the market for Ankr so that we can be in position and capitalize from the move. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I don't come in and show you 15,000 articles to try to persuade you that the market is bullish. I don't show you no technical indicators to try to convince you that the market is bullish. I simply look at what everyone else is doing with their own money. That's all you need to understand and see in order to grasp where price is going to go. So let's talk about that real quick. You guys can see from my last video in Ankr, which was on December the 3rd, I was telling you all then be prepared for the price in Ankr to do what? Yes, go down. And you guys can see that the price in Ankr has done that. The market action in Ankr since December the 3rd has gone down. So congratulations to you if you predicted the same thing. This is how easy this market is in regulating and seeing how the market is going to go. 15.58%. If you were to get out the market right now, you'll still be in profit mode right there, 21.5%. Easy. Now that is done. That is over. We want to try to confirm if the market now is bullish in Ankr. And you guys can actually tell already from the chart if you know where to look at to determine if the buyer stepped into the market. Can you see it? I'm gonna show it to you. And it is right here. I want you all to see this. That confirms that the market in Ankr is still bullish than it is bearish. Look at this. So you guys can see here that the market in Ankr was creating a trend, right? And every once in a while, you know, the price comes back down and tests that trend. Just like here in July, the market came and tested this ascending line. And then again here in September, beginning half of October, we came and tested that line again. Well, what about a third time? Right here, October, ending of October, beginning of November, the market in Ankr came and tested that ascending line again. Look at this. We even tested the ascending line on December the 4th. The price hasn't broken this ascending line. The buyers are telling us that they are still bullish into the market in Ankr. We haven't broken the trend. And we even did it not too long ago, maybe 3 or 4 days ago. We saw the price in Ankr still come in and grab this trend. So we're still bullish. It's just that easy, right? Just that simple. As long as Ankr's price continues to trade above that ascending line, guess what? Yeah, we're going to be bullish in the market. So already in less than 2 minutes, we already know what is the sentiment of this market in Ankr. It's bullish. The market is still confirming that it wants to go up. Now, we got that established. We need to figure out, okay, cool. Just because the market is feeling bullish doesn't mean that the price is going to go massively higher though, right? We still need to put this into context and see where the sellers are, because on every price chart, there's buyers and there's sellers. So we identify where the buyers are at. The buyers are located around 9 cents to 10 cents in Ankr. So where are the sellers, right? The sellers are here. Let me bring this down just a little bit right there. Yeah, they're around 12 cents because we can see here that the market in Ankr was acting on that price, 12 cents. It was either acting as restriction or he's acting as support. So as we are bullish into the market in Ankr, we still need to be careful around 12 cents though. That's where the sellers are lurking. You know, they're behind the backgrounds waiting to dump all of their Ankr into the market, right? So we're going to transition this over into a different time frame to see if the market is really bullish or are we just playing along. Let's see this real quick. Let me show you all the 3-day time frame here into the market, and because we really want to see what is the chances of this price breaking above 12 cents. All right. So this is the 3-day time frame here on the chart for Ankr, and currently we got 7 hours and 33 minutes left. But I do like what I see though. I do understand that there's sellers still going on into the market in Ankr because of where the price is currently closing on this 3-day price bar. That still means that there's selling going on. So the market is not massively strong. It's not, because price is closing off of the highs right now. But for us to get this very good spread, for us to bounce off of that 10-cent price, there's still a bit more strength in the market that we can contend with. Now, that looks decent. Let's look at this on the 2-day. So this is Ankr on the 2-day time frame. See, I'm still cautious. I don't want you all to think that the market's going to shoot up to 20 cents right now, because we got a couple of levels that the sellers are in control. And the first one is around 12 cents. Let's look at this on the 5-day. This is the 5-day time frame into the market for Ankr. You guys can literally tell that, yeah, it's still some selling going on, but it's not that much. The market is going to test that 12-cent price to see if the sellers are going to continue to dump their Ankr into the market, because if so, the buyers may not appear and price will come all the way back down to 10 cents or 9 cents again, and we're going to test that ascending line. So let's look at this on a weekly real quick. So this is Ankr on the weekly. Now, if today was the last day of the week for Ankr, I would definitely be bullish into the market from a weekly perspective. I will be looking for the price to go up from the weekly. But man, look, I got 3 days and 8 hours left, so I really cannot be bullish into the market from a longer term perspective, but I do like what I see right now. Now that is due to change because we got 3 days and 8 hours left. So let's not put too much hope into what we're seeing on the weekly time frame, even here on the 2 weeks, right? Let's not put too much into it because we still got 10 days and 8 hours. But so far, as of today, December 23rd, the market is reflecting that it wants to shoot up in price. Now, I'm going to hit around 12 cents though. And if we're able to break and crack above 12 cents, I mean, I'm still going to be real cautious, maybe hit 13. Right? So let me go ahead and do the price prediction real quick, give you all the newest price targets for Ankr, and MC this on the hourly time frame. You guys can see right here that the market in Ankr is pretty much just consolidating. We're not getting too much volatility in this space. We're just bouncing between 12 and 9 cents. That's it, which is a good thing for us to at least allow this price to go up. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. Oh yeah, I do like it on the 13-hour time frame. We got a very substantive upward move over the last couple of 13-hour price bars. We're hitting some selling right now, which is expected because it's around 12 cents. So as we see this market come back down in Ankr, as long as price doesn't break 10 cents, I'll even take it back down to test this ascending line. I'm going to play some strength into the market. All right, so let me switch it back over to the daily. Maybe drop this price prediction down real quick. And I said 9 cents. I'll be satisfied with 9 cents, but if we ever see this price do this, let's say price comes all the way down and we break this trend and we bounce at 9 cents, I'm just going to be stable, right? I'm not going to be bullish into the market in Ankr because we have broken the trend. And once we break this trend, I cannot be bullish because the trend has been broken. So we need to be thinking more bearish than what we are in terms of thinking bullish. That's only under the auspice that price breaks this ascending line though. And we're just going to move over into pretty much just trading sideways right now. So I'm going to hold that support area there around 9 cents. And like I told you earlier, 12 cents is the problem. So I'm going to do like an initial point into the market in Ankr at 12 cents, right? This is 8.25%, right? This is not the opportunity to come in and be massively bullish in this market. Okay. So that would be the first spot, 12 cents. My second area will be up here, maybe around 12.5 cents, which gives us around 16.64% profitability into the market. Now I'm looking for a price to hold 10 cents in Ankr, right? I am. But just to give us a little bit of cushion, I'm going to bring it down to 9 cents. All right. And that's it. Done. You guys can see what my expectations are into the market in Ankr. Now, as always, on the videos that I create, I want to give you all the opportunity to drop a price prediction too. Just look at the price and the volume and come up with a prediction as to where you think the market is headed. Because everything else is just noise. Everything else is just confusion. Just peel all that stuff back and focus in on what the people are trying to do with their money. Let me know, because money talks. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.